Till because you are Baba Jamal, but as a delegate. As a delegate. Yeah.
Where did he get the money from? We want the OSP to also come into this to do his investigation so that at the end of the day, what they are doing, they are destroying our democracy.
It was for Enra and premise echo so for NDC at Ayawaso East constituency a honor premise echo so. Now was a BBC Ghana for a call for the arrest of Baba Jamal. How much is it? Ghana police and watching special prosecutor that is OSP Kiseja Ben. Only to me watching my na soldiers from watching police watching CID watching na o metrim onya sika ne wo here or dey Enra the oye no. I was a matter of boss adwudwam amoti wiase na o kire wadwen ama me e wo comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was say any dem. Obe like video na that one put subscribe button somebody click notification on latest updates na ba kire wadwen da ma me e wo comment section so ba so no share for Penyah biahwe. So back here on the 4th of January 2026 here and I buy say Ayawaso East constituency or member of parliament or honorable no Honorable Muhammad Ture Nasser what one anonymous siedo they say we free mu am asem no ebe arehosema is na Ghana for na yesu even asatna crown no pain no eras ewo yakome ma is ewo wo ye na say ho obehia say ne there's a need for by election is no EC that's electoral commission ayan hye at the by election akwhye 3rd March 2026 yimu and is a duru a they will call to about for between MPP and NDC there will be a by election as the by no or no ana abetna akonya so for us new MP for Ayawaso East. Na ho be here say NDC for no be present a candidate on MPP ni ebe contest na 3rd March. Ni pass e contest no na the late Honorable Muhammad Ture ne yere Amina Adam oka ho bi Baba Jamal eka ho bi and many others na omudoso obi ha kire say or stand NDC delegate entoma no na say ono emia candidate any MPP ni emfa nkosi anyame adoma 3rd March na say already a wabeye the next member of parliament for Ayawaso East. E da busia omu promise no enra and the conscious so as even before then the crown no na musa dan kwa abeka say promise from the beginning obeka say Baba Jamal eberin and Baba Jamal and Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria. What I say is onye bakuma or at least or appointment Mahama Amanu Jumede bi as OD NDC amemu nim omunya NDC for say on AD da juma no musa dan kwa ka say promise na ebekọ so no from the beginning I said there be or how Baba Jamal say can nsem a Baba Jamal eberin or berin but at the end of the day at the latter part no be ka say there be Amina berin the late MP ne wife eberin what I say Emma just ensem in the campaign no na obia eka say delegate enyina so entoma de na ebi esre pa metinti obi kula eka say oba no de at least ni kunu ye no or no wanya appointment or appointment from Mahama Memuomu or position bebrebe nti no di wa men dada etima yemfa adede ni nsa ma no enti delegate entoma or no na no at least Mahama ba ye onya appointment di bia na ono so onya bibi kakra emfa mpodwe. Yes, obi as for card na esre Baba Jamal ka say there's no way oba no ebere they say na campaign obi can nsem actually delegate na delegate agina so ato aba no e de ama no e da busia enra 7th February 2026, which was Saturday, and they said about what acquisition. So, I will
be given a chance. Among all those that are contesting, I'm the only person that has not been fixed anywhere since we came to power. We have His Excellency Baba Jamal, who is our High Commissioner to Nigeria. So he's been sorted out. That is my view. And then Atia, who is also the MP's, the former MP's wife. She's a member of 3 different boards: the Hajj Board, the Sankofa Prestia Mines, and the Lands Commission Board. So I think it's enough for one person. If you think about our constituency chairman, who is also running, he's the national liaison officer for NADMO, so he's been sorted out. But despite all the contributions that I made to the party, I feel I still haven't been offered. It's not because I deserve it more than any other person, but of course, we are running a lean government, and when the opportunity presents itself, they fix it somewhere. But since I have not been fixed, and this vacuum has been created, I think it only makes sense, and it's fair, in my mind, for me to replace the MP. And I believe the delegates understand.
Emma voting at Atana Air Course, even Baba Jamal Echo casting a vote. Now, in the course of voting, anyone who say any movie, a TV, television, just a 32 inches television.
Young election, one of the last Yagagan election.
There be a TV 1:1. Aye. Baba Jamal. Baba Jamal na TV. Aye. Nti obetu amanana. Aye, onu aneko. Onu aneko. Aye. Is it because of Penyah TV na? Debbie. And yet because of the TV, I believe in his vision. He's supporting the women, he's supporting the youth, he's supporting everyone. Aha.
Because you are Baba Jamal, but as a delegate. Yeah. Oh, they be as a motivation to vote for. Once I say campaigning, I can campaign more as a delegate. And more of us to delegates. This is our time. We convert to as a delegate. But also selecting the part. We say about my constituency. That's the main key. By him say, yeah. Maybe I vote share, but me to mention vote share. Until I go. For real. Fear delegates, there's a fear delegates there. Say that the war will be no. Say the people will be so.
25 contestants in Yamowa kwa Jubia.
Oh, they be. And yes, over Jubia, but I was so Akumamono. Will be adding baby or for real. Me say me baby I want to.
I gave to the Yamba Jubia.
Or so would you because a motivational song. A motivational song. So the mouth that was always so crazy.
It's even the motivational.
Motivation.
Any other a piece of motor brand new. A big obi bombs or solo, a mobile back as soon okurawe as instead of call Malcolm. And that's what shopping mall. I could do that as a then I go to team. Say TV no Baba Jamal and the TV 32 inches. Then I let you know and was what cranial man go. Confidence
Why number 3? Why should Baba Jamal be voted?
Baba Jamal,
Why should he be voted?
We need change in our community. He knows our problem, and when he gets the parliament, he can speak our consent to the parliament. So we want to change. We need change in our community. We know what he can do. That's why we are supporting Baba Jamal number 3. We need change, and we know what he did in Apetia back then. He did a lot to the people of Apetia constituency. That's why we need to change we want to bring him back. We need Baba Jamal number 3.
This is not say Warren or anyway or be MP. We are just internal primaries. Or anywhere feel no say be boka foforo abeye campaign and MPP ni na area ko see the akọ contest. Omo ahụ kra no was spending 10 billion e chiri ato TV abeche delegate enye ngoto abama. And yes, who say obi so de car abesu cars no moto nko a okada that brand new moto ene gum I say harness moto ni kwa no eno so e ko be makoma 100. That's it. Oh, they have found roughly that much way, but could be a 15,000 subscribers now. 15,000 times 100. And you see, 1.5 million Ghana citizens can, 15 billion. Just say, Enra, and near more child honeymoon. Mammy, we ever 1 year. Or got 2 abakeke away. He was part of the delegate. Or got 2 abakeke. Abakeka or 2 young. A Japadia Unya. Onya TV, onya moto, onya ho, onya anwa, kibo gaade, kosua ni beko nyama mi nyede. Enura ne emo mo che no hono mono. Ema amanfo alaye se there be adema ekoso no. Aya bribery and corruption. The Ghana police for embrem na omo ntimi encam situation. Omo enyai yanchichi omku. Aya bribery and corruption. Enam so ema, media for no hono mono. Omo koye ebi interview. Emma Omukoye Baba Jamal interview and say, Baba Jamal, you say, oh, TV, any other. What does it mean? Are you intend buying vote? And answer day, Baba Jamal tells you on there, on to vote to be a normal, and then in face there or chat there. It's no, or the TV tell you this channel there now. Like, watch it TV. I say, watch it TV, and easy. You know,
some delegates have received television sets and they say it's coming from your
campaign. Election, of course, now was one near my big war. You could have done that long time.
If you give television sets to people, what is wrong with it?
But election day, a whole month delegated. What are you telling us?
Those of you who know me,
what are you telling
know that every Christmas,
what are you telling us? But if people
occasion, every instant, I have put down 2.5 million to give free loans to people. So if today you are giving, people are coming to vote and you are giving them something, you are not. It's not buying for us. If you have listened to me, I say, look, if somebody gives you gifts, you can take it. But allowing that gift to influence your vote is what is wrong. It's not a gift. It's allowing that gift to influence your vote. Then it's wrong. By giving gifts, all this week, you think that you can bring people together and even give them water. It is not the item. It is the intention. You understand? And I don't think that I have gone around, I've spoken to them, I've met people. And that's why I'm still saying that I'm hope and trust that they will see reason with me and come along with me.
Excellency, your timing, is it not constant to you? The timing for giving.
To every delegate, just everyone near my course so hard mono. But it was at the end of the day, no. About Baba Jamal and our with vote of I don't know four something and Obano in 399.
Baba Jamal be ma TV no na ebi no ma 50 million ebi no ma access pad kibo gari pad ye di to aba ai ebi ma pad kibo gari kaba cafe tuma pofa ice chest mu bottle enti se Baba Jamal so ama TV a enu nya news
but after the win still
every buyer and son be swear that ever don't to the authority and nobody seek out and your Baba Jamal and every seek out free every buyer nobody seek out and to sign it here that's what I say
cards that those speakers been rebranded as MPP no those speakers no yes or Kotobai at the Bayer the campaign. After election, me send NDC for the case. Sa cast now, Bomia Krabay, I was a OSP Equachino, and I said, Yoku Equachi, Yoku Equachi, no Bomia, image the Nancy or the other those ever Ghana at the Bayer campaign. Yoku Quachino, almost the most I can. And near where course. was Nima Cluster police station Honomono, and another Monya sika he eno sika omutugu mondenye kaguma sika no mutugu mondenye nyama ye chair no ra ni sika hodo ye chair ye no fi obia 50 million no obia 50 million no delegate 1000 ye chwe man for 1000 obia 50 million 5000 times 1000 5 million Ghana cities no 50 billion eno nyama a car ended for the born on this election fear with primaries internal premise a cow born honor enye kakuma but e be kire say Baba Jamal said e bi ka se na yoku enko fa ba omia no Baba Jamal to police for enche no na o be kire mu ba bi nya ska no e dey sa ne mo na no oyeye no.
What is happening in Ayawaso today is very disappointing. We have never witnessed this in our democracy in the constituency. So the media should help us to share what is happening in Ayawaso to the world. What is important in Ayawaso is human capacity building. We want development. What they are doing is because they know the seat is for the NDC. They are buying votes. One candidate can give 3,000 to each delegate.
Now, in
the
the next
NDC,
video,
the electoral college is approximately 1,300 delegates, including those who are dead and those who travel. And each person is getting 3,000 from a candidate. 2 days ago, a candidate distributed